Maybe it works now? Ah!
Where's my phone?
I didn't do it! I didn't do it!
Okay, guys, I'm heading to the store. Dad's in charge.
Got it.
Mom, wait! Can I use your phone? Just for a little bit?
Why? Where's yours?
It's charging. Please? I just want to play one game.
Fine. One game. Be careful with it, okay?
I will! I promise!
I mean it, Tom. That phone is brand new.
Yes, I know. Thank you. You're gonna break it. No, I'm not. Watch and learn, little sister. Yes! Yes! Come on! What game is that? Shh! I'm about to beat my high score. Can I play after you? Maybe. Just give me a second. No way! New record! Let's go! Okay, my turn. One more level, I swear.
Tom, don't stand on the couch.
Sorry, Dad. Wait, what? Wait, no. Oh my gosh. Come on, turn on. Please turn on. Is it broken? I don't know. It's not turning on. You are so dead. Don't say that. What are you gonna do? I don't know. Give me a second to think. Mom's gonna be back soon. I know! Stop reminding me! Should we just tell her? No way! She'll take away my games forever! So what's the plan, genius? Okay, I've got this. I can fix it. You? Fix a phone? How hard can it be? Okay, maybe it just needs a little help. Turn on! That's not gonna work. Just let me try. Maybe it works now? Tape? Really? It's called engineering, Emma. That's for wet phones, genius. Yours isn't wet. It might help. Just trust the process. Tom? Did you see that? See what? The phone! It just lit up by itself. Phones don't do that, Emma. I'm serious. It was glowing. Okay, new plan. Tom, that seems dangerous. It's fine. I just need to dry it out faster. That's not good. Is it on fire? No, it's just smoke. A little smoke. That's normal, right? That is not normal, Tom. She's home! I know, just act normal. You're sweating, Tom. That's not normal.
I'm home! Can somebody help me with the bags?
I'll help.
Wow, okay, that's new. Tom, where's my phone?
Phone? What phone?
My phone, Tom, the one I gave you.
Oh, right. Emma has it. What? No, I don't. Yes, you do. You took it after me. That's a lie, and you know it. Emma, please, just this once. Are you serious right now?
Hey, what's going on with you two?
Nothing! I don't have your phone, Mom, I promise. She's just scared to say it. I am not lying.
Okay, stop. Both of you. Emma, do you have my phone?
No, I don't. And I don't know why Tom is saying that.
Tom?
I don't know either.
Okay. Somebody is going to tell me the truth. Right now. Tom, look at me.
Mom,
Tom, the truth. Now.
Mom, I broke your phone. I'm sorry.
Oh, Tom.
I dropped it. It just slipped out of my hand. And then it wouldn't turn on. And I got so scared. So I tried to fix it myself.
With tape?
And rice. And a hairdryer.
A hairdryer?
It started smoking, Mom. I didn't know what to do. I was so scared you'd be mad, so when you asked, I said it was Emma. That wasn't true. It was never true. Emma, I'm really, really sorry. I shouldn't have said that. Not for 1 second. You blamed me, Tom. In front of Mom. I said I didn't do it and nobody believed me. I believed you. I was scared. That's not an excuse. I know that. That really hurt my feelings. I know. I'm sorry. I mean it. Okay.
Thank you for telling the truth, Tom. That took courage.
Are you mad?
Let's talk about that. Tom, I'm not mad that the phone broke. Accidents happen. Phones can be fixed.
You're not mad?
I'm a little sad about it, sure. But what really matters to me isn't the phone.
Then what?
It's that you blamed your sister for something you did. That's the part that hurts, Tom.
I know. That was really wrong.
Honesty matters more than any phone. Always, no matter how scared you are.
I'll remember that. I promise.
And Emma, I'm sorry you got blamed you didn't do. That wasn't fair to you.
It's okay, Mom.
Everyone makes mistakes, honey. What matters is what you do next.
So, what do I do next?
Well, first, you apologize to your sister properly.
Emma, I'm really sorry. You didn't deserve that. I forgive you, Tom.
That's my kids.
Mom, I want to help pay to fix the phone. This is my savings.
Tom, you don't have to.
I want to. And I can do chores too. Dishes, trash, anything.
That sounds like a good plan.
Did somebody say chores? I like this new Tom.
Can I help too? I want extra allowance. Nice try, Emma.
Okay, my little helpers. Let's start with the dishes.
Deal!
Everyone, today is Safari Day.
What time is it?
It's 5:30. Time to go.
Honey, did you pack the sunscreen?
What is sunscreen?
Oh no. Go, now, pack it.
I already packed mine, and a portable charger, and snacks. I packed my pillow.
Perfect. Let's go. Look, a tree. A big tree.
Dad, that's just a tree. Mom, I feel sick.
Oh no. Don't look down. Look outside.
The road is very bumpy.
Yes, all roads here are bumpy. Normal.
I love bumpy. It is like a roller coaster.
Please stop talking, Dad.
How long? How many more minutes?
About 40 minutes.
40?
Look to your left. A giraffe.
It's beautiful. It's so tall.
Wait! I want a photo. Don't move, giraffe.
Honey, the giraffe can't understand you.
I know, but maybe it can feel my energy.
Dad, your camera is upside down.
What?
That's a very nice foot photo. Stay in the Jeep, please. Always. Yes, yes, I know.
Wow, the elephant is so big.
It's drinking water. How cute.
I'm gonna stand up. Just a little.
Sir, sit. Down. Now.
I just want a better photo. Okay, I'm sitting.
The elephant said no, Dad.
Sir, please stay in the Jeep.
Lunchtime. I made sandwiches.
Mom, I don't eat bread this week.
What? Since when?
Since this morning. I want chips. Do we have chips?
No chips, Tom.
Can I eat my sandwich without the bread?
That's just meat, Tom.
Yes, please.
I love sandwiches. Wow, this is truly a perfect day for a safari picnic. Hey, that bird! My sandwich!
Yes. Don't eat outside with open food. I told you.
I'm hungry.
Stop talking. A lion. 12 o'clock.
Whoa. It's real. Oh my God. This is amazing.
Don't move.
It's looking at us.
Does it want to eat us?
No. But please be quiet.
Should I wave?
Dad! Shh. It yawned! It's bored of us.
It liked me. I know it.
It walked away from you, honey.
Last stop. Sunset view. 5 minutes.
Wow, the sky is orange. And pink. And purple. It's so pretty.
This is beautiful.
It really is. Today was a good day.
Dad got scared by an elephant.
I was not scared. I was surprised.
You screamed, Dad.
That was a happy shout.
I love you, honey.
Next year, we go skydiving.
No.
Two hours back to the hotel.
Did you have fun today?
The best fun, but I'm very hungry.
Because a bird ate your lunch.
I want to talk to that bird.
Go to sleep, honey.
I'm not tired at all.
Mom, my video has 1,000 views already.
What video? Don't tell him. This appeared.